for stopping by. I'm making a spring themed card. I went through all the Cricut Design Space images and I found this really pretty daffodil one. This is from, actually it's from 50 States. And the paper I'm using, I just got this at Michael's. My yellow is my favorite color, so obviously I grabbed it right away. And they had like a 3 buy 3 for $10 or something like that. It was a really good deal. Alright, so I'm going to put this aside. We're going to do the card. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and stamp on it. And in the beginning of the video you probably saw this. This is Spring Medley from Avocado Arts. Unfortunately they are not around anymore. But I do like that bold happy spring word that they have there. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Momento marker and ink that up. I want to straighten this up a little bit. I see that it's not on the line like it should be. That's what I like about these grids on here, the grid lines, is you can use them to line up your stamps. All right, that looks good to me. All right, I'm just gonna flatten it like so. And if I miss a spot, then Misty helps me so that I can go back and re-ink it and fix it. All right, let's see how I did. Not bad, but it's kind of whimsical looking, I think. All right, so let's get our card out. I'm going to do something else as well. I'm going to be using my Distress Oxide Broken China. And I'm just going to put a little bit of color in here. Let me find a scrap real quick here. My blending brushes. And what I'm doing here is I'm trying to make it so that there's not a lot of ink on it, or distress ink. Because I just want a very light blue background. Just to give the depth of the daffodils. Probably can't see this. Okay, one more. I'm going to hold it up to the camera. Oh yeah, I guess you guys can see it. Right, let's set this aside and put our flowers together. I'm probably, yes, I was looking right at it. Okay, so this is going to go in here. Very cute design. I didn't know 50 States images had this. I pushed a little too hard on it. Oh, super cute. Love these colors too. And then this one will go here on the medium size one. Now this image was facing one way, so I copy and pasted a 3-inch, a 2.5-inch, and a 2-inch as far as the flower size go. And one of them I flipped the image so that it's kind of going out that way instead of all facing to the right. Okay, these are cute too. I'm not sure if I want to keep those or what I want to do with them. All right, so let's lay this out first. And let's see where we're going to put our a little piece. I guess I ripped off the mat. And I put that there, and then I'm going to put this over here. Okay, I know exactly what I want to do now. The green paper is a scrap, but I'm almost sure it's American Crafts paper. I'm going to use my tweezer. Now we'll do this one. Yeah, that's one of the image sets or cartridges, I guess they used to be called, that I'm not familiar with. I searched Lily actually, and I saw this one and I liked it better. But yeah, I want to take a look at the 50 states. I've not done that yet. And then I'm flipping this one around. That's going to go right there. All right, let's put the flowers on. Oh gosh, I'm almost tempted to pop it up. I'm going to. Too much. Okay, so that little one's going to go there. I think I will put that right there. And then the medium size one is going to go here. And then I need another piece of tape, or foam adhesive, I should say. I like that you can just tear it if you want. And that one's going to go right there. Oh, I love it. All right, so that is just a simple Happy Spring card. Thanks so much for stopping by, and have a great day.